Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the filters section within the recruitment module in KEBS. Once the user or tag team member navigates to the recruitment application, he or she can view all the resource requests that have been submitted via various projects or opportunities. The filters section can be used to apply filters and retrieve data based on condition. The user can check any filter and apply them. And the corresponding data is retrieved based on condition. The user can clear the filter by either clicking on the Clear Config button or by clearing the filter using the Clear Filter button in the filter section. The user can also create their custom filters by checking the filters needed and clicking on Create My Filter button and specifying the particulars. Once done, the filter can also be shared to another employee. This can be done by accessing the My Filters tab and selecting the Share button. Once done, the saved My Filter is automatically landed in their My Filters section as well. The user can also edit and delete a created My Filter. The Customize Filters button allows the user to change the order of display of the filters within the Filters tab. The Reset Filter button can be used to clear all the configurations and filters that have been checked and saved. Thank you for watching.